Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send YouTube links on WhatsApp with preview. Sending YouTube link on WhatsApp with preview are important because with the preview, your friends can watch the video directly on WhatsApp without going to YouTube. So if you want to send links on WhatsApp with preview, make sure that you don't have disable link preview enabled on your advanced settings, as you can see right here. I have already made a video about it. I'm going to put the link in the description. So to send YouTube link on WhatsApp with preview, go to YouTube. I'm going to use one of my videos as an example. I'm going to click on share and copy the link. When I go to WhatsApp, what you have to do is to drop the link and wait for a few seconds. Don't just send the link. Just wait for a few seconds. It's going to load and analyze the preview and then send. You can see that there are preview in the link. So if you rush and send the link without waiting, there won't be any preview. So that's how you send YouTube link on WhatsApp with preview. So someone can watch it directly here on WhatsApp. So that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.